Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning.
ma'am.
How are you all?
I am
Fine?
fine.
So, children,
fine,
I will
thank
ask
you.
2-3 minutes some multiplication tables. Okay, because you know, without multiplication table, we are not able to do division. Okay. So, I'll 9 into 8.
I'm 72.
Gavri, I was asking I'll. Okay, I'll 9 into 9.
81.
81. Okay, Amil 7 into 3. Yes, Amil 7 into 3. You can unmute and speak. 7 into 3.
7.
7 into 3. All others, please wait. 7 into 3. Ameya 9 into 3.
21.
7 into 3 is 21. Now I am asking Ameya 9 into 3. 9 into 3. Yes, John, mute your. Oh, okay.
27.
27. Yes. Shivadyan 8 into 7. 8 into 7.
56.
56. Dia 6 into 6.
Ma'am, it's 36.
Yes, 36. Very good. Gauri Nandana 9 into 4. 9 into 4. Gauri Nandana
36, ma'am.
36. Very good. John 5 times 2. 5 into 2. 5 into 2.
10.
10. Very good. Viraj 4 into 2. Unmute and speak. 4 into 2. 4 into 2.
Ma'am, 4 into 2, 8.
4 into 2 is 8. Henry 5 into 4.
8. 8. 8. 5.
Now that 8 is over, I am asking Henry. All others please mute. Okay, Henry 5 into 4. 5 into 4.
20.
20. 6 into 4. 6 into 4. You said 5 into 4, 20. 6 into 4 also? Yes,
24.
24. 6 into 4 is 24.
24.
Okay, so children, study daily multiplication tables. Otherwise, division will be hard for you. If you want me to do the divisions faster, no? Study the multiplication tables daily. Okay.
Ma'am, I do faster division.
Yes, yes. Some children, they are doing faster. So, division will be easy for them. The others, okay. So, children, now we are going, last class we were revising the terms dividend, divisor, quotient, and what are the steps in the division that divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So, please listen. I will ask you some questions. Here we have 30, 1 minute, 36. 36 divide by 4. Yes, Ail, can you say? 36 divided by 4. 4 into which number is 36? Yes?
9.
9. Very good. 9 into 4, When you do the opposite, 9 into 4 is 36. Aditya, can you please tell me which is the dividend, quotient and divisor from this division fact? Yes?
4 divisor.
4 is the
Divisor.
divisor. Yes.
36 is the dividend.
36 is, yes, very good.
9 is the quotient.
Quotient. 9 is known as quotient. So, any children, if you have any doubt, we are revising this again because you have to understand which is the dividend, divisor and quotient. That's why we are revising again. We have already studied this from last year and last class also we were doing. So children, this quotient is known as the answer in the division, or we can say the number of times divisor, this divisor divides the dividend is known as quotient. So children, how we can define quotient? The number of times the divisor divides the dividend is known as quotient. In other words, we can say answer in the division is known as quotient. And the number that is divided is known as dividend. And which number is dividing? The number that divides is known as divisor. So you understood dividend, divisor and quotient. Okay. So children, please take out your workbook, page 63. Workbook part 1, page number 63. Yes, I very good. Can you show me, children, please? Show me the page. Part 1, workbook, page number 63. Yes, Chris, I can see. All the children, please show me your books. Yes, Anselin, Viraj, Mohammed, Sinan, Abel. Yes, well, all those children I'm showing, they are showing. Some children, okay, keep it there. All of you, I can see that page. Now I cannot see Mohammed Sinan and Anselin, Viraj and Isa. All these children, please take out your book faster. Okay. So children, Leia, can you read question number 1? Leia.
Why did you unmute me?
Huh?
Why did you unmute me?
Leia.
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 1.
The number of times the divisor divides the dividend is called
the number of times the divisor divides the dividend is known as
quotient.
Quotient. Very good. So option, which is option? Option C. Option C. Question number 2, Shivadyan. Shiva.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2.
In 520 divided by 8 is equal to 65. 65 is the dash. Quotient.
Quotient. Okay. So children, I will write it on the board. You can check. Those children who joined late. Okay, please see the page number, page 63. Yes, Shiva, then you can mute. Shiva.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 1. The number of times the divisor divides the dividend is known as quotient. Option C. Question number 2. 520 divided by 8 equal to 65. 65 is the quotient. Option B. Okay. Next one, Joseph. Nihal. Question number 3. Louder, louder. It's not audible. Rohit. Yes, Rohit. Question number 3. Read.
Question 120 roses are distributed equally among 3 girls. Each girl get dash rose.
So, if you don't know 120 divided by 3, like Mendel division, 12 divided by 3.
40.
Very good. 12 divided by 3. See, children, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, 120 divided means 40. Very good. So, if you have any doubt, check 40 multiplied by 3, whether you will get the dividend 120. 3 into 0, 0. 4 3s are 12. So, our answer is correct. So, children,
Very
if
easy
you have
question
any
only.
doubt, yes. If you have any
Very
doubt,
loose.
you can multiply and check whether you after 4 3s are 12. So one more 0 should be there in the answer 40. Question number 4. Henry, question number 4.
Can I read?
Read question number 4. Henry, question number 4.
The question when 100 and
1800.
1800 is divided by 3 is
Okay. So 1800 and by 3. So children, 18 divided by 3, 18 divided by 3. 3 into which number is 18? 6. Very good. 3 into
600.
6. So in here 20, you have to write 20. So the answer is 600. Very good. 6 into 3 is 18.
600.
Very good. 18 minus 18, 0. You can bring down these 2 0. So the answer is 600. Which is the option?
And the 0 will come to top.
B.
B. Option B is correct.
And that balance 0 will come up.
Balance 0 will come here. Then the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 and the quotient is 600. So question number 4, option B. Sanahin, are you writing? Show me the book. Yes, show me the book. Make it up. I cannot see. Page you are writing, Sanahin. Show me. That answer I am writing on the board. No. Page number 63. Everything is written on the board. Page number 63. Question number 1, 2, 3. Only circle the answers. There is no difficulty here. Yes. Who is calling? Who is calling me? Yes, Laya. Yes, yes, yes. I can see. Those who are writing, I can see. But some. Okay. Next one. Ayil, can you read next one?
Quotient in 190 divided by 19 is.
Which question we are doing? Ayil? Which
And
question?
fifth question, right?
I want question number 5.
The remainder when 2000 is divided by 10 is 200.
Read the question carefully. 2000 divided by 10. So children, first we are taking the divisor is 2 digit. Here also we will check the 2 digit. 10 into which number is 20?
10 into which number? 2.
2. Okay. 10 into 2 is 20. Then what we will do? We will subtract. Then bring down 2 zeros. Here also we had to write 2 zeros. So the quotient is 200. But the question is remainder. 0 into 10, you can write here 0 minus 0. So I look at the board and tell me which is the remainder.
Yeah.
Remainder is what?
0.
0. So you have to read the question properly. Are they asking quotient or are they asking remainder? If they're asking quotient, it will be 200, but they are asking remainder. So which is the answer? 0. Question number 5, the answer is 0. Understood, children? Are you reading the question carefully? Next one, Abrid. Question number 6.
The
Quotient
quotient in 119 divided
190 divided by 19. 190 divided by 19. Now
is
look.
10.
Yes, 10. So children, we have learned one properties, no? Any number divided by the same number. So here, 19 divided by 19. What is answer? Any number divided by the same number, it will be 1. Now we have here 1 0. So 1 into 19, 19. Subtract, bring down that 0 on the top. So what's the answer? Question number 6. The answer is 10. Which is option, Anubama? Which is option?
D.
Question number 6.
D.
Unmute and speak. Hmm. 10. The answer is 10. So option? Option
D.
D. Yes, option D. Okay. So children, we have learned some properties. You can use that properties to do the calculation faster. Any number divided by 1, you will get the same number. Any number divided by the same number, you will get 1. And if there is 0, you have to write in the quotient also that 0. Okay, next one. Arfan. Question number 7.
The quotient when 180 is divided by 9 is
9.
26.
Huh?
20.
The quotient
Yes, tell me the answer.
26.
26.
6.
How?
That you only.
9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. But here 1 0 is there. So in the answer also 1 0. 2 and 0. Which is the answer?
20.
20. Children, look here if you have any doubt. Question number 7. The question is the quotient when 180 is divided by 9. 180 divided by 9. So you know 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 18 minus 18, 0. Bring down this 0. That 0 you have to write it in the quotient. So what's the answer?
20.
20. It's not 26. It is 20. Yes. So here they're asking the quotient. If they're asking the remainder, you have to write remainder is 0. But here the question is write the quotient. So the quotient, that answer is 20. Okay, next one. Question number 8. Anvia.
In 300 divide the remainder is dash.
300 divided by 10. So children, 300 divided by 10. So you'll take your first 2 numbers. 10 into which number is 30? 10 times
3.
3. Very good. 10 times 3 is 30. Now when you do 30 minus 30 is 0. Bring down this 0. You have to write it here. 0 into 10,
Answer is 30.
0.
Answer is 30.
But
Remainder is 0.
read the question. First read
Remainder
the
is
question.
0.
Remainder. Remainder is 0. Question number 8. Remainder.
1 0 is enough.
If they are
1 0 is
asking the
enough.
quotient, then you have to write 30.
And
But-
I told the question and the reminder.
Okay. So children, 30 is the quotient and remainder is 0. So our question is write the remainder. So you have to write 0. Varada, next question. Question number. 1 minute. Who is making sound here? Yes, Varada. Unmute and read. Yes.
The quotient in 1600 divided by 8 is
So first you have to see 8 times which number is 16? 16 divided by 8. Yes, Sanahin, what you are speaking? Tell me.
200.
Very good. Yes, Sanahin got correct answer. So children, what's the question? 16 divided by 8. What is 16 divided by 8? 2. Okay. 8 2s are 16. And we have 2 more 0. That 0 you have to write. Very good. Okay. Yes, Varada, what's the answer, Varada?
200.
200. All of you, you can write. So here, 9. The answer is 200. If you have, we can do again and check whether our answer is correct or wrong. 1600 divided by 8. So first number 16 divided by 8. So you know 8 multiplied by 2. 8 multiplied by 2. The answer is 16. Here 16 minus 16, 0. Bring down how many zeros are there here? 2 0. That 2 0 you can write it here. So the answer is what? 200. Question number 9. Okay, next one, question number, children, next one, question number 10. Abel, question number.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 10.
What is the quotient
When 4000 is divided by
when 4000 is divided by 4?
4000 divided by 4. Now check 4000. 4 divided by 4. What is 4 divided by 4?
1,
1. And how many zeros are there in 4000?
3,
3. So 1 and write 3 more zeros. What's the answer? 1.
1000.
1000. Very good. 1. Then
1000.
question number 10. 1 and 3 more zeros. So children, 1000 is the answer you got when you divide 4000 by 4. Now check the answer whether you are getting correct. 4 into 0, 0. Again here 0. 4 into 1, 4. So the answer is correct. We got the dividend. So when 4000 divided by 4, you will get the answer as 1000. Very good. Question number 11. What is the remainder when 6000 is divided by 10? Or the children do this question in the rough book alone. 6000 divided by 10. And don't tell me the quotient. You have to find the remainder.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. All of you do in the rough book and tell me. So 6000 divided by 10. So first you can take these two. Eva? Yes, 60 divided by 10. First, we are taking these two numbers. Unmute and speak. 10 into which number is 60? First, we are taking these two numbers. 10 into 6. Yes, very good. 10 into 6 is 60. So 60 minus 60, we will get 0, 0. Now bring down how many zeros you have to bring down? 2 0. 0 into 10. We have any number multiplied by 0, that is 0. So what is the remainder?
0.
0. So the answer is 600, but they are not asking the answer. You have to write the remainder. Remainder is what? 0.
0.
Now we are going to do question number 12. Children, that also you can do in the rough book. 220 divided by 22. And tell me the answer. All these numbers you can do in the mind. Very easy, small questions. First one is what? 22 divided by 22. So here 22. Yes, Ameya, are you there, Ameya? Unmute and speak. Any number divided by the same number. 22 divided by 22. Okay. Who is there here? Viraj, Isa, yes, Isa. 22 divided by 22.
10.
22 divided by 22 is 1. That is, you told me the answer correct. That is okay. But what is 22? Any number divided by the same number? 1. 1 into 22, 22. So now when you do 22 minus 22, that is 0. Now bring
0.
down 0. That 0 you have to write it here. So you will get the answer as 10. Question number 12. The answer is 10. All of you got the answer, children? How many got the answer? Can you say, raise your hand? How many got the answer as 10? Okay, very good. Okay, so we will do till question number 12 today. And I will give you one question to do it now in your rough book. All of you please take the rough book. 380 divided by 2. Find out this answer faster. First, what you have to do? Write the table, multiplication table of 2. Yes, Anne Maria. Isra, please unmute Isra. You joined late, okay? We finished this page number 63. I will send the notes, okay? So, Isra, compare the first number. 3 is 3 and 2. 3 is greater than 2. That means we can divide. And here we can see 3 is here. So, which one we can take? 3 is between 2 and 4. So 3 divided by 2. What's the answer we can take? Which one we can take? 2. Okay. So that means 1 into 2 is 2. Then what to do? 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2?
1.
1. Now next what we have to do? Bring down. So it is 18. Now look at the table and tell me which number multiplied by 2 is. Okay, yes, Isra. 18 we got here. So 2 times which number? 2 times 9. Yes, 2 times 9 is 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. Bring down 0. You have to write it here. So children, all the children, you have to, after finding this, you have to check whether our division is correct. How you can check? Dividend is equal to, what is dividend? 380. Check quotient. What is quotient? 190 multiplied by divisor 2. Then find out whether you will get the dividend. That is homework. What is homework? You have to check whether our division is correct or wrong. How you can check whether, yes Adidev, tell me how you can check whether our division is correct or wrong. Dividend is equal to?
Multiply quotient and
Quotient
the
and
divisor.
divisor. Very good. So here, which is the quotient we got? 190.
190.
And which is the divisor? 2.
2.
Multiply these two and check whether you will get the dividend. Dividend is 380. All of you do that as homework
Ma'am, I
and
got the
study.
answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
So our division is correct?
One.
Yes.
Ma'am, 190.
100.
190.
Okay. So children, try to do this check, division, check whether it is correct or wrong, and study multiplication tables daily. Will you practice multiplication daily?
Yes.
And which one is homework?
I said homework to check whether our division is correct or wrong.
Yes.
What did I say? Multiply, quotient and divisor.
Ma'am, I did very fast all the questions.
Okay, very good, very good. So children, bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.